Traditional 2-story home built in 2017. 4-bed 2.5 BTH. Mud room. Spacious open floor plan with all the features that you desire: granite, soft close cabinets, upgraded flooring, stainless steel appliances, Floor Plus FDR. PBTH has separate deep jetted tub and separate shower, double sink, vanity. Large bedrooms, 2-car garage. PBR with cathedral tray ceiling, west/crown molding, dual closets. Large backyard, full privacy fence, west/deck. And you're minutes away from the Portsmouth Naval Hospital and other military facilities, shopping and entertainment.